In this video, I'll show you how to turn any LinkedIn search into a list of verified contacts, not just a list of names. Before we start, go to the first link in the description and click it. That takes you to LinkFinder AI. Click Start Free Trial, no credit card needed, and you get free credits just for signing up. And this isn't a throwaway free trial either. Setup takes about 5 minutes, it's GDPR compliant, and you're never asked for a credit card just to start looking things up. The free credits you get actually work like the paid ones, so you can test this exact workflow before spending anything. Here's the problem with LinkedIn search on its own. You can find exactly the right people, filtered by title, company, and location, and then you're stuck. LinkedIn doesn't hand you an email or a phone number. You either message them and hope, or you go copy names into some other tool one at a time. LinkFinder AI skips that step entirely. It turns any LinkedIn profile into a real, verified way to reach that person. Let's slow down here because this is the part that actually matters most. Every lookup on LinkFinder AI follows the exact same simple logic, no matter what you're looking for. First, you choose what you already have. Then you choose what you want to find. Then you type in that one piece of information and you click Enrich Data. 3 steps every time. Watch it happen. What I have is a company name, Tesla. What I want to find is their website. I type it in, I click Enrich Data, and in a couple of seconds, there it is. The real, verified company website pulled from live data, not a guess. Now let's try the input you'll actually use after a LinkedIn search. A person instead of a company. This time, what I have is a LinkedIn profile URL. Let's start by asking for their full profile. I paste in the URL, click Enrich Data, and watch what comes back. Their name, their current title, the company they work for, their location, even a history of their past roles, pulled straight from their real LinkedIn profile. Here's the part I really want you to notice. I'm not touching that LinkedIn URL again. It stays exactly the same. All I'm changing is what I want to find. Switch the output to phone number, click Enrich Data one more time, and there it is, their direct number. Switch it again, this time to email address, click Enrich Data, and there's their verified professional email. Same input, 3 completely different outputs, 3 separate lookups. You decide exactly what you need, and you only pay for the piece of data you actually asked for. And this is the part that actually saves time. If you've pulled a whole list of profiles from a search, drop it in as a CSV instead of doing them one by one. Every row gets enriched the same way, automatically, and you can see exactly which ones were found. Once you've got the contact info, you don't have to manually move it anywhere either. LinkFinder AI has an API and an MCP server, plus native connections to Zapier, Make, N8N, HubSpot, and Salesforce. So a LinkedIn search can turn into a fully enriched list sitting in your CRM without you touching a spreadsheet in between. If you'd rather build this into your own workflow than click through a dashboard, the API documentation lays out every endpoint in plain language. Company name to website, to phone, to email, and to employee count. Each one costs a single credit, and every one of them is synchronous, meaning you get your answer back immediately, no waiting on a job to finish. Every lookup also shows up in your History tab, so you can go back and check exactly what you searched, what it cost, and what came back. And your credit balance sits right at the top of the dashboard the whole time. Search on LinkedIn like you always do. Just don't stop at the name. The link is in the description, and you get free credits to try it yourself.